It's that time again for the glory days of drag racing. This is the one I built last year for Joe and Tiffany's group build. And I have to tell you, this was my favorite group build of the whole year. And I wanted so much for the video, couldn't do it, but at least I did it with the car. This is the one that I did last year, Jungle Jim's Nova, and I was already looking forward to the second one, the next year, this year, 2026's version of it. And had my car already picked out last year. I've got most of the stuff that I have ready for it, and this is what it's going to be. Yep, this glorious 63 Chevy station wagon. Now, yeah, you guys might know what's in the kit and stuff like that, and I'm not going to bother going through it because I'm not going to need most of it. I'm going to be building this kit in the way of one of the other exciting drag racers back from yesteryear, E.J. Potter. Now, if you don't know who he is, that's okay. When I'm done completing this video, you'll know. You'll know. He did a lot of crazy stuff, and I'm going to try to follow in his footsteps pretty closely. It's not going to be hit the car that he used, but the year's the same, I think, and the body styles, yeah, Dodge, Chevy, but I'm going to try to do this the same way that he did, with the same kind of stuff. Something very exciting, very fast, and definitely very glory days. So make sure you watch my updates and see what I have planned for this crazy thing, and I think you're going to like it in the end, and you'll understand why it was the glory days of drag racing.
Drag racing is far out.
Smash the thumbs up for me and have a wonderful day.